APEM's dip-coated rotary switches are designed for mounting on PCBs and enable precise address and parameter configuration in electronic devices. These switches incorporate fixed contacts interacting with a binary encoder disk to produce desired binary outputs. The actuator shaft's rotation to specific detent position selects distinct binary outputs. BCD encoding efficiently represents decimal numbers via fixed bit counts per digit. APEM offers standard BCD and BCD compliant for 10-position switches and BCD hexadecimal and BCD hexadecimal compliant for 16 positions. The versatile dip-coated rotary switches provide 21 output codes, finding diverse applications and ensuring reliability and performance across industries. The pioneering P56 series, introducing a 64-position switch, streamlines address and parameter settings, presenting a compelling alternative to potentiometers. APEM's dip-coated rotary switches find wide applications in industrial control, instrumentation, medical equipment, consumer goods, and more, providing precise address and parameter setting crucial for reliable performance. Visit DigiKey.com now to learn more about APEM's dip-coated rotary switches.